We're on the road again, and we're gonna head off to another part of this province that we've been to before, and we might just end up maybe just doing a park or something because the fields are wet. So we don't want to mud on my boots. Yeah, exactly. So we might hit a bottle dump. Yeah. Well, if we do hit the bottle dump, there'll be a lot of bottles to be shown. Yeah. Lucky I can edit that out. Yeah, but first we gotta find a place to stock up with some food. We haven't eaten breakfast yet because the breakfast at that hotel was not so
accosted. I would call it accosted by two teams. We think one was soccer, the girls I'm not sure about.
Yeah, but they didn't have that much to offer. I mean, it's not more than a continental breakfast, but it just had like ham that didn't look like it was cooked. Yeah. Those cheap hash browns you get in a in a bag, big round ones.
Those cheap hash browns.
Yeah.
But we're not eating hash browns.
No, we're not eating hash browns, so not a lot to choose from. Not their fault, I guess. But anyways, no complaints. We had a coffee, and we'll just find something that we can enjoy a little bit more, right?
Yeah,
no big deal. Yeah. All right. We're heading towards the bottle dump that we discovered this year, and a lot of these bottles date from the turn of the century. And
this is my first real attempt at the bottle dump. We came here once, but we got mosquitoed out.
Yep.
So I'm excited.
Yeah. It's pretty harrowing terrain. Last time there were so many bugs, we just had to turn around and leave. Right? Even now, the forest has grown in quite a bit compared to when I was here in the spring. It's incredible how fast it grows.
And how fast it dies.
Yep, exactly. There's barely a trail where we're walking through right now. A trail nevertheless. Follow the beaten path. Alright, we'll see you when we get to the dump area. It's kind of hard for me to walk and talk at the same time without tripping over myself going, "Whoa!" This is a deep hole. There's actually a tunnel going through the ground, and it goes about 130 feet, and it used to go to the dammed up area. The water would rush through here and then end up going to, you can see there's a structure in the woods over there, a mill, and then it would turn the mill wheel, right? And down below here, I'll show you a quick blurb. Nice waterfall down there. Beautiful area, eh? Very nice. Yeah, there's an old brick wall. That used to be part of the dam. So they dammed this up, and this is all full of water. And then the tunnel would take the water through to right up that trail, right up here. Right up that trail. Leads right up to the milling area. Cool. And this is the remnants of mill. And you can see there's lots of areas. The water used to flow right down here. So this slope, water would flow down, go through some tunnels. There's a turbine in there with the water on the other side. You can see the tunnel.
Big tunnel there.
Yeah.
You can see it go down lower.
And it goes down even further.
Pretty friggin' cool.
Yeah. It goes down pretty deep down there. It goes down into another cavern, and then it goes out to the river. There's the river down there. Yeah, the water flows down that direction. Okay. The water will go down there, go out. Okay, so here's the bottle dump. People have been digging here for a while. I mean, someone obviously comes here as well and digs it up, but there's still lots of ground that hasn't been dug up. I mean, this whole hillside, all down there, you know. It's a huge area, all in this area. I can see a bottle laying on the surface just from over here. Like, it's massive. I mean, even where I'm standing right now is bottles, right? Even this area right here. So let's get on to the digging. What do you think?
I think we're gonna have some fun.
Yeah, cool. So as you can see, this bottle lump is massive. A lot of it's from the 30s and under, but then you get some older stuff. Oh, you got this really old spoon. Not too bad. I like it. It's kind of cute. Spoon number 2, along with all the bottles. It's definitely older. Definitely old spoon. Intact too. I like that when they're intact. There's probably some markings on there somewhere, so I'll be able to maybe date it. Sweet. Spoon number 2 out of this hole. There's Judy over there. Nice full-on teapot, complete. Right in there. Pretty close to that mason jar, that big jar here. Oh, this is definitely a keeper. Right there. Sweet. I love that, eh? Okay, we're just finishing up, and we'll come back another time. It gets tiring digging this stuff, doesn't it?
Yep.
Ended up with a bag of glass. I've got a cool teapot and some other cool stuff.
A whole bunch of ceramics that I might make into something.
Yes. There's a big tree root. And as you can tell, there's all kinds of junk in the tree root. Like this whole thing has been just dumped upon for years and years and years and years. Right? Just tons of stuff. And there's so much more acreage. We'll be back. For sure. Look at that one. It's got a big writing on the bottom, back of that plate. So we just left the bottle dump, and we ended up with some pretty cool stuff. Actually had a good time. It's a lot of work though, isn't it?
Yeah. I just told him I needed a nap.
Yeah. So we're gonna take a little pause, and we're just gonna make one more pit stop on the way home and detect for about an hour, maybe an hour and a half tops. Because you know how that goes. You start finding stuff, you want to stay a wee bit longer. So maximum hour and a half. Then we'll do a wrap up when we get home on our weekend finds, right?
Yep.
So how much did you enjoy the bottle dump?
Well, it's a lot dirtier than I thought, and a little overwhelming when you see how much trash and broken bottles, and a little sad, I thought. But when you get in there and you start digging and you hear that familiar sound of glass and you see it and you think, oh, maybe a full bottle, it's a little exciting. Now I found a whole teapot that was made in Japan.
Short and stout.
Had Yes.
Hold on, I'm gonna cover this up. I can't see the turkey.
On a green light. With no hands.
I haven't learned how to blur yet on the on my editing program, how to blur something out. Yeah.
It's just advertising for one of the best companies that makes coffee in Canada.
Yeah. So why do I want to do that? I don't get paid for it.
Because you support them anyways by drinking their product.
Yeah.
Ooh, Michael's craft store.
Big one. Yes.
Look, I just advertised.
Oh yeah. That's Miguel's.
Yes.
Anyhow, see you at the next destination.
Cheers.
Hey. Oh, your fingers covered. Okay, we're back at a spot that I've been to before, and Judy's over there detecting, as you can see her. And I got a target at about 7 inches, so it's an older signal, that's for sure. Oops, my pinpoint is still on. It's right in the dirt. But not very far. So let's see what this is. Oh, still in the hole, right there. Come on. Oh, keep dropping it. It makes no sense. No, there it is. Okay. Oh, there it is. It's a coin. I can see it in the dirt. It's green. Green coin.
A what?
Green coin. Okay, I got a signal here down at about 5 inches. It's right about there. It's down about, well, 6 inches. Right there. Put my glove on and get my screwdriver out. Yikes, nice barking dog. Okay, let's see what this is. Quite the bark, eh? I got it, it's right there. What?
It sounds like a hound.
Yeah. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's a fishy. Nice.
Did you find that toonie I lost last winter? I was looking. I I was looking for that son of a bitch for a long time. It's all yours though.
All right, thanks.
Found it.
It's a fishy. I think it's 1911. 1911. Huh?
Want me to look? Get my eyes.
No, I'm pretty good. I got it. I can see it pretty good. 1911. Nice. Yeah, that was down 6 inches. Not bad. For silver. Cool. Awesome. I like silver.
About 5 inches down, Don says it's a newer coin, but it's the first thing I found that wasn't garbage.
I'd rather use this camera for that actually, because then I have to download that one.
Too late. I already used it.
3 cameras. I'm not using 3 cameras right now.
You gave it to me.
Yeah, but you should be filming your own crap, not my crap.
This is my crap. I found this. You're just digging it for me.
Got it. Whew. You got it, frickin' silver.
Woo!
No way, dime. Holy crap, unbelievable. I would never have thought that was a silver at that signal.
Ooh. It is 1917.
Baby. Oh, I nicked it too, look.
Did you?
Yes.
It's a Georgie.
Oh, no, I didn't. Okay, let me get this one on. Awesome.
I found a Georgie.
Well, she detected her signal and she got a silver too. Look at that. Not bad, eh? Too bad you didn't dig it out. I dug it, so I didn't get the excitement of it.
You told me that you would dig my stuff.
There you go, look at that. That's in really good shape, except for the nick that I nicked on that.
You did nick it?
Yeah, just right at the edge. Yep.
Da-da-da-da.
Nice going.
Woohoo!
Yes.
Well, over there I found a hole, and Dawn dug my hole for me, and then I dug it up, and it was a Queen Elizabeth Young, Queen Elizabeth penny. This one, however, he thinks is a better target.
Maybe.
Maybe. And it's still in the hole.
Now it could be a clad dime or it could be something better.
I'll be happy if it's a coin. And not a penny. Because, you know, I've only found a dime today that is not a penny in my weekend's worth of detecting. Let's see if I got it out of the hole. Apparently.
There you go.
Okay, so it's in my hand. It's a twig! No.
It's a
Bolt
It's a bolt.
with a screw on it.
Whoa.
Ooh, not a penny. Not what I wanted. Oh well. Still garbage. Or something they're taking out.
Yep, that's right.
Oh well.
Okay, I got a target down at about 5 inches. These are the kind of signals at this place. They tend to be good targets down at 5 inches. So anyway, let's dig this one up and see what. We'll dig this one live.
Digging it live.
Did you mention on here what we've been having problems with the squirrels?
Yeah, squirrels have been digging up my holes. The ones that I came back here a week ago. And yeah, we kind of dug.
Free storage for the winter! So now I'm on squirrel alert. Not in the plug.
Yes,
Huh? It's in the hole. I just said it's not in the plug.
and about 5 inches. Oops.
You know, we are comic relief just being us.
Yes. I got it. There it is. Ooh, it's an Indian head.
Ooh.
Indian. I can see the reefs. Indian.
Nice.
Yeah, very nice. Let's see.
They come up in very good shape here, I gotta
do.
say.
Okay, Judy detected a target and it How did it sound?
Weird. And good. I hate that.
Yeah, this is an iffy one, but she's got it pinpointed. It was showing up weird on my detector too, which means there's a lot of stuff in there with it.
Oh.
What-o.
I think it's a button. I know it's a button.
Oh, look at that. Ooh, is she a military button now?
Yeah.
Seriously.
Yeah. It's got the crown.
Nice. You got a GR, that's military. She got a military button.
And there's something else in here.
Yeah, maybe it's a piece of iron throwing this thing off. Beautiful. GR, military button. There's the shank on the back.
Yeah, that's how I knew it was a button.
That's great. She's doing awesome. Now she got a 1917 silver. She got a military button.
Something there.
Yeah. Nice. Last one, huh?
Yeah, you said so. That's a wrap?
That's a wrap.
Say goodbye, everybody. Ooh, Michael's Craft Store.
That's Miguel's.
Cheers. I didn't break
No.
my
No.
I didn't break my fine.
No.
I run, whatever. Yeah.
Yeah. Pretty good.
I cleaned my plate.
Yes. For though, because she licks it clean. No need for soap and
Use
dishes.
my toast.
Yeah, she used her toes.
My toes.
Your what?
My toast.
Oh, she used her toast. Sorry.
Jam.
Yeah.
Marmalade.
Yeah. If I was into toes, I'd say, ooh, that's 60 bits. Toes.
I wouldn't want to eat the toast. No.
All right.
It sticks too much.
So we'll see you when we get there. Cheers. My cousin Jill, who's gonna join me. Jill, say hi to everybody.
Hey man, how's it going?
But hey, who knows? Anything we find here is gonna be good. Because these are pretty shallow. That's only down at about 2.5 inches. The other one was about nice. Well, maybe you know what? It's warm there. It's just clean. What the heck is going on today? And I pulled it out of the hole and it's silver. So let's see. Oh yeah. A really nice view here. So, what next?
No idea. We'll be going home soon.